Learning a new language opens doors to understanding different cultures. When mastering Norwegian, especially family terms, you gain insights into the structure and values of Norwegian society. Today, we'll explore essential family vocabulary in Norwegian, making it easier to discuss your loved ones in this beautiful language. Let's start with the basics. The word for sister in Norwegian is søster. If you want to say my sister, you would say søster min. Use this term when speaking fondly about your sibling. Similarly, brother translates to bror, and my brother becomes broren min. These basics are indispensable for discussing your close-knit family. Moving on to parents, father in Norwegian is far, and mother is mor. If you're referring to the father, you would say faren, and for the mother, it would be moren. These terms are essential when talking about the guardians in your life. For a daughter, you simply say datter, and for your daughter, you would acknowledge her as dattermin. When discussing family members as a pair, specific terms come into play. The father and the mother collectively would be faren og moren, highlighting their partnership. Likewise, the father and the son is faren og sønnen, and the mother and the son translates to moren og sønnen. These combinations are useful in conversations about family dynamics. Introducing siblings together, you might say faren og datteren for the father and the daughter, or the brother and the sister, as broren og søsteren. Similarly, the sister is søsteren. These nuances help you describe relationships more vividly, painting a clear picture of the family structure. Interpersonal greetings also vary. When you meet someone and ask, "Hi, are you Thomas?" you would say, "Hey, er du Thomas?" Responding affirmatively to a brother as yes, brother, translates to ja broren min. And this adds fluency and personal touch to your conversations, making them warm and inviting. Lastly, the phrases you and I in Norwegian is du og jeg, ideal for emphasizing the bond between you and your conversation partner. Whether you're talking about family members or building new connections, mastering these terms enhances your ability to connect deeply with Norwegian speakers. In conclusion, learning family terms in Norwegian not only helps you talk about your immediate family, but also allows you to engage more personally with others. As you practice these words, envision the warmth of family gatherings, the joy of personal introductions, and the comfort of shared moments. By incorporating these terms into your vocabulary, you enrich your understanding and appreciation of Norwegian culture, building bridges through language.